Hey guys, I'm Barista. Today I want to do two latte for you. One is the Swans latte art, one is the Rosetta latte art. Then we start to grind the coffee, and then we use the smart temper to temp it. We use the coffee machine to add the pressure to the coffee, then we have the espresso shot. Now put the portafilter inside the coffee machine in the insert position and then fan. We do the espresso shot now. Almost 45 ml for the double espresso shot. You can see the texture of the espresso is very rich. Then you use the espresso shot to do the latte art. About 30 seconds, we can stop the coffee machine. This coffee machine will automatically stop it. You can see this is the espresso shot. When the shot is finished, we can see the texture of the espresso shot, and then mix it. It's very rich and the creamer is good. Then we use the steamer to add the air into the milk. Then we have the foam to do the latte art. In the position of 3 o'clock. In the 3 o'clock position, we add the foam inside it. If you're listening, the sound is very sharp. You can put the position more higher, then you can add the foam and add the air into the milk. You can use the finger to test the temperature for the milk. Almost 65 degrees, we can stop the foam steamer. When your finger is cannot acceptable the temperature, we can stop the steamer. You can see there have a flow into the milk. The texture will be very good to do the latte art. Almost 65 degrees, we can stop the steamer. You can see the texture is very good. Now we keep the skimmer and then push it once. Okay, we can do the latte art now. Pull 1, 2, 3, and then get down, shake. I do the Swans latte art now. Here you go, Swans latte art. And then the second cup, we form the meal. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, then get down and then do the Rosetta latte art. Here you go, a Rosetta latte art. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends and give me a like. Thank you very much for watching.